In this video, we'll be reviewing the 5 hottest AI tools of the week. From orchestrating workflows to generating soundtracks, upscaling images to a personal financial assistant, and even dropping hats, these tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Let's dive in and check out what these latest AI tools are all about. First up, we have Magnific, an AI-powered image upscaler and enhancer that's taking image quality to the next level. It's like having a professional photo editor that can work magic on your images in seconds. Magnific uses advanced AI technology to upscale images to higher resolutions while adding and enhancing details based on user prompts and parameters. It's not just about making images bigger, it's about making them better. One of the cool things about Magnific is its versatility. It supports various use cases, including portraits, illustrations, graphic design, and even video game assets. So whether you're a photographer, a digital artist, or a game developer, there's something here for you. The platform offers some neat features to give users more control over the output. There's a creativity slider that lets you control the level of detail added. This means you can choose between a more faithful upscaling of the original image or a more enhanced version with AI-generated details. The ability to not just upscale images, but enhance them with AI-generated details could be a real time saver. It could be especially useful for working with old or low-quality images or for creating high-res versions of digital art. Next up, we have Cleo, the AI-powered financial assistant that's here to help you manage your money and reach your financial goals. But don't worry, this isn't your stuffy old banker in a suit. Cleo's got personality. Cleo is like having a savvy, slightly sassy friend who's really good with money. It uses AI to analyze your spending habits and give you personalized advice on how to manage your cash. But here's the cool part. It does this through a chatbot interface, making the whole process of budgeting and saving feel more like texting a friend than crunching numbers. One of the standout features of Cleo is its ability to provide users with up to $250 in short-term credit with no interest or credit checks. This can be a real lifesaver when unexpected expenses pop up. It's like having a friend who can spot you some cash when you're in a tight spot, but without the awkwardness of asking. What sets Cleo apart from other financial apps is its approach to making money management more engaging and accessible. It uses humor and even roasts users about their spending habits. Imagine getting a text from your financial assistant saying, "Really? Another $50 on coffee this week? I hope you're planning to run a marathon with all that caffeine." Cleo also automates a lot of financial tasks, like bill payments and transfers to savings accounts. It has features like roundups that automatically save your spare change. And it doesn't just focus on your past spending. Cleo uses AI to help you forecast future income, prepare for emergencies, and work towards your financial goals. Now, let's talk about Drop Hat, a quirky AI-powered project that's dropping hats on unsuspecting pedestrians in New York City. Yes, you heard that right. It's literally dropping hats on people's heads from a window. Drop Hat is the brainchild of James Steinberg, a Midwesterner living in New York City. He's using AI and a Raspberry Pi to automatically detect when people are walking under his window and then drop hats on their heads. It's like a real-life version of those old cartoon gags, but powered by cutting-edge technology. The system uses computer vision and a hat-dropping mechanism to detect people walking under Steinberg's window. When someone is in the right spot, it triggers a Raspberry Pi and stepper motor to drop a hat. The hats being dropped are lightweight propeller hats, chosen to be stylish and not cause injury when dropped from the window. What's really interesting about Drop Hat is how it's pushing the boundaries of what we consider window shopping. Steinberg sees this as the start of a new era where people can simply stand under a window for a few seconds and have items dropped on them. It's a wild concept that blends physical retail with AI and automation. As someone who's fascinated by novel applications of AI, I find Drop Hat both hilarious and intriguing. It's a perfect example of how AI can be used in unexpected and playful ways. While it might not be the most practical application of the technology, it certainly sparks the imagination about what else might be possible. Moving on to something a bit more practical but no less exciting, let's talk about Google DeepMind's new video-to-audio V2A technology. This tool is all about bringing silent videos to life by generating synchronized soundtracks. V2A combines video pixels with natural language text prompts to create rich soundscapes for on-screen action. It's like having a professional sound designer and composer at your fingertips. You can use it to add dramatic scores, realistic sound effects, or even dialogue that matches the characters and tone of a video.
This turkey looks amazing. I am so hungry.
The technology behind V2A is pretty impressive. It uses a diffusion-based approach for audio generation, which gives the most realistic and compelling results for synchronizing video and audio information. The system starts by encoding video input into a compressed representation, then iteratively refines the audio from random noise. The ability to generate high-quality synchronized audio for videos could be a game-changer for content creators, filmmakers, and anyone working with archival footage or silent films. Last but certainly not least, we have Maestro, a framework that's taking the hassle out of complex workflows. Imagine having a super smart assistant that can break down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. That's exactly what Maestro does, but for software development and other technical processes. It's like having a conductor for your digital orchestra, making sure every part of your workflow plays in perfect harmony. Maestro uses Claude Opus, a powerful AI model, to intelligently coordinate different subtasks. It can handle all sorts of automated workflows, from building and testing to deploying code straight from GitHub. The cool thing is, it supports a bunch of different operating systems and programming languages, so it's super flexible. One of the neatest features of Maestro is how it lets you define your workflows in a YAML file. It's like writing a recipe for your computer to follow. You list out all the steps, any special parameters needed, and how they all fit together. This makes it easy to share your workflows with others or use them again later. Maestro is also great at multitasking. It can run different parts of your workflow at the same time across different operating systems and versions. This is a huge time saver, especially when you're testing things out. And if you're into continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, Maestro plays nice with tools like GitHub Actions, so you can automate your entire software development process. These 5 AI tools represent just a small slice of the incredible innovations happening in the world of artificial intelligence. From streamlining workflows to enhancing images, generating audio for videos, and even dropping hats from Windows, these tools are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the AI Tool Talk channel and leave a comment letting us know which tool is your favorite.